I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is an old challenge, but I wanted to do it because your girl didn't have YouTube back when this challenge was going around, and I always thought I want to do this challenge and I want to do it with the Jaclyn Hill palette. So yes, I did the one palette makeup challenge with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I know what you guys are thinking. That don't look like you used every shade. That looks neutral. I know, and I don't understand how, but you guys, I swear to you, I used every single shade. Also, you guys, I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who subscribed to me. I know that 200 subscribers to mostly everyone is not a lot, but to me, I cannot even believe. You guys, I never thought I would get more than 20. Okay, I never thought I would get more than 24 subscribers. I don't know why 24. I really was like, I'm gonna get 24 subscribers. I just, y'all, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to me, who watches my videos, who likes my videos, who's just supportive of my YouTube channel. But sorry for rambling. If this video is something that you're interested in, then please just keep on watching.
I really gotta know if you don't wanna come, you're the one I want.
I decided today that I wanted to do the one palette makeup challenge. I know that it's old and people don't do them anymore. It's like 3 months old, maybe longer, I don't know. But I didn't have a YouTube when this was going around, so maybe it was longer, like 6 months ago. I didn't have a YouTube when that was happening, but I remember watching the videos like, damn, I want to do that. And I want to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I decided, what the hell? Who cares if it's old and it's not trending? Let's do the one palette makeup challenge and let's use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And you guys, this palette has so many. Look at this. Okay, my palette's really beat up, but this palette has so many shades. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna try. I think I can, honestly. I think I can because a lot of the browns over here, I can use those. I can mix them together. You know, I could be a little cheater. I can mix them together. I don't think that's cheating because I just don't think that's cheating. But I'm probably gonna mix a few colors together, and I'll put a picture up here somewhere. Either on this side or this side. No, probably this side. So I'll put a picture up here. Every time I use a shade, I'll put, you know, like a check mark or something over it. If I fail at this, it'll be in the title. So you guys already know if I failed or not. I don't know yet, so let's just get started. I am going to be using like the same 3 brushes as per usual, but I have my color switch here, so I just dip my brush in here. The brush is gonna look stained, but there's no product on it, I promise. I'm just going to mix both of these colors right here, and I'm going to use that as my highlight.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh.
So next, I am going to be mixing, are you ready? This color, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I am playing. So first, just to be completely honest, I'm going in with these 2 right here. And that's gonna be my very first transition, because your bitch is going in with 2 transitions. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with the 4 shades under that. I'm literally just tapping into every single one. I'll show y'all. If my double chin shows y'all, just who cares, okay? So dip, 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 and go back.
As the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feels so cold inside my head.
See, the only thing is there's so many shimmers, and shimmers you can only put on the lid, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm thinking keeping the browns and the oranges on my upper eyeshadow. Then I was thinking of doing a cut crease I wanted to use the purples and the blues, but I don't know now. I don't know, but for now I'm gonna go in with these matte shades right here, and I'm gonna mix them and kind of warm up my eyes. So I'm just gonna mix them. Bam, bam, bam. Actually, I'm gonna mix this one too. Throw that in there. You guys, this palette gets so goddamn messy. I know Jaclyn came out with a better packaging. Too bad she didn't do that the first time around with her loyal ass followers, right? I mean, I'm just saying. So I'm focusing this on my crease, kind of the way I was doing my transition shade, except I'm not bringing it up as high. I'm still diffusing it throughout my crease, but I'm keeping it low. And I didn't tell you guys, this brush is a Moda Pro. It says Moda Pro is the brand, and it says BMX 430 crease brush. This is such a fluffy blending brush. Like it's very fluffy. Like, you know what I mean? It's so fluffy and like so easily diffused. It just so easily diffuses makeup. Blends, I guess.
It's a cold-blooded love.
This is a Makeup Shack 150 brush. This is a blending brush as well, but this is more dense and it kind of has a tapered like point. So what I'm going to do is go in with this color, and this color, but I'm gonna do this one first. So I'm gonna take this color, then this one, and then this one, because this one's the darkest. So lightest, middle, dark. And then I'm gonna go in with this one, but not yet. After that, I would have used all the mattes except for the dark black one. But I mean, you all know I'm gonna use this on my lash line. Like, let's be real. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Going into that third deep shade.
I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No.
I'm going in with my other brush, and I'm not adding any extra pigment on here, but I'm just gonna take that and blend out the edges as much as I can. And then I'm gonna go in and cut the crease. So I am taking my Kylie Jenner concealer and I'm gonna put that on a flat brush. This is a e.l.f. brush. This is an e.l.f. brush. I'm just cutting the crease. Then I'm gonna blend out the edges with my pinky. Just going back in with that denser. I mean, it's seriously, it's not dense, you guys. With the denser brush, I'm kind of going over where my cut crease got a little messed up. I'm gonna go over it with some Tarte Shape Tape. I hate this concealer now. That's the tea.
No need to run and hide.
This just made the Kylie concealers look like trash, but honestly the Kylie concealers are so much better for your actual face. And I'm making this cut crease pretty big because y'all know how many shadows I have to use right now. I am gonna go back in with the brown shades that I used on the side. Now I'm gonna go into the shimmer. These two are the only mattes I haven't used, and we have all the rest. Oh, I haven't used these two mattes either, but I think I'm gonna put those on my lower lash line. Obviously we're gonna go lightest to dark, so I think we will just start with this pink right here. I want to see how that looks. So I'm taking this Equal Tools flat brush. It doesn't have a number or anything on it, but it's an Equal Tools flat brush. I'm gonna take this pink right here, and that's how I'm gonna start. is going to be this one and then this one. I'm just gonna mix these two because they look oddly alike. Next, I'm going to go in with, I think, with these two, where my hands are, these ones right here. I'm gonna start with this one and then top it with that one. Now I'm gonna top it with that other color. I'm just applying that, as you can see, like lower right here in the middle of those two colors. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna go out. I'm a liar. We're gonna go in with this gold right here. I know what shimmers I want to end it with, but I want to end my cut piece with this one, and this one, but I still need to use these three. So I think I'm literally just gonna mix the three of them. I don't know. I'm gonna mix these two. Okay, I'm gonna keep these low. Then I'm going to take this darker brown and I'm gonna actually put it out here. Now I have this space here to use those reds. This shimmer, this one, and this one. I think I'm gonna mix them. Yeah, because you guys, come on, they're like basically the same freaking colors. So don't come for me. So I'm going with this one, and this. So now I'm gonna take my Makeup Shack blending brush. I'm gonna go in with this really dark brown. Push that in over here. I'm gonna clean that brush off. And I am going to take this lighter brown that I had used prior. And I'm bringing it out because I'm going to clean it up, but I kind of want it to have like a wing effect. So I'm not going to do liner. Then on my Moda Pro brush without any product, I'm going to blend out that top part as much as I can. So you want a blended eye. I'm going to do the rest of my face. And I will be back to do my lower lash line and use the rest of the shades. Okay, so now that my face is done, I am going to go ahead and do my lower lash line. And this is where I'm going to use most of the color, like the purples and the blues and the turquoise. I don't know what I'm going to do, but let's do it. So the colors that I have left are this purple, this blue, these two turquoise, these two greens, and then this dark shade here. So I think I'm gonna go with the purple on the outer. So I'm gonna go purple, then blue. Then I'm gonna do this matte green in the center and top it with this shimmery green. And then I think I'm gonna do this matte turquoise in the inner corner and top it with this shimmery turquoise. And then I'm gonna use this dark color in my waterline and then to top my lashes. So I said we're gonna start with the purple. Actually, I'm gonna start with this green just to smoke at the very edge. And I'm just gonna connect the edge. Alright, so I'm going into this purple here. Going into that blue. Right now I'm gonna take this shade and top what I just put. Okay, I'm taking this turquoise now. Now I'm gonna go in with this last, well, this is my last shade, but I'm gonna go in with the shimmery shade. finally, I'm gonna go in with this dark shade and I'm gonna line my waterline and then also the top where my lashes are. I'm gonna blend them.
Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts.
This is the completed look. I used every color in the Jaclyn Hill palette and somehow it still ended up looking neutral. I don't know how that happened. That really irritates my soul. Let me clean up behind me so that I can do this little intro. Yeah, so I can do my intro and my outro. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I did use all the shades in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I succeeded. Somehow it still turned out pretty neutral. I don't really know how that happened, but I really like it. I think it's cute. It's cute or whatever. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video down below and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!